you make me proud. One day, you make me one day. Guys, like this thing at the Pinazels are high. So if you tell to get a book, I Zikum high, I'm a fit about but I understand the way. I understand. But this is CMTV, and I'm introducing another episode of Iniate Buanania. And having it, of course, in a Mr. Lamini. And the component equivalent to that, it's only pinata macats. And I'll be man bohang and I say, Don tong tong. Don tong tong. Aye, tong 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 tong. Guys, our mission is go out there, retole batova ratanang, rete shohorba ratana or basugana. Hambar selemura gong 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 ay gang 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 ay ganga shap shap dan Dumela maboko ko kay kirlo makhalesa khile via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na lante ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na kyare lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strating re ba kene and see gore what's happening nsala morago nsi
and wena kwesithunga liba luba last wathi mandibamba izivuke ndzayimela mina lonto
so wena umratela chelete ekena
uthanda mphethelete selena wabona wathi ba kirata dilo
sablela maka so
this is just AI sometimes.
Accepts of disappointment.
That song earlier Big Zulu and Amos Elambali Yami. Izokunisela kifila ngari go bua ga nna somehow ke na le bo flower nyana ne o tle le monkgwa ka man le monkgwa ka ona le bo flower nyana izokunisela metanga malanga every day. That's one thing I like. I mean I'm strata for so long today just to get these people. It's not nice, guys. Our job is hard. Uri comment later on mo 3 stepping ya bed. 3/4. Onare Mauritius wa ke le langare batla go fix the country the whole way. Urumile nna mokhwanazi. Are stop up febe dlamini no dineo. Yete thumamina mfethu. Thumamina. Are wena te boga mashego etsa sure the country di monate le industry. Ati thuma wena mfethu. Dumelang. Jimmy, what's up,
this is market.
Oh, I know, chicken monat.
Market, man. Nani sen mutwaka ribuan chote seras.
Sesiras.
Understand? Yan sikilo confused with alano.
Hal going.
No nga mangalang.
Kaya mangal school sa kailan muntuan.
But Larimfel, how are you guys?
I was just good and you.
I'm good. You don't mind cameras? I can wait these days. Ko paremele. Maybe yana ho ela ko shading yana monna ka chalut. Bari camera.
Basi nya muntu ake ay ana problem.
Hauna problem.
Nang chugang.
Angitsang
wa bona gore ke flower gele nna ko pareme mo guys or site ka fane a remele so a ke tsebe gore a ke emela hantle for the camera just for betting but now wa bona gore ke ngwana le di flowers so ba batla gore ba ntire ambassador American Swiss so ke gone go fana ka di rings wa understand ha ke ntse ke bona gore batho ba ratana too much king la ratana ke
Okay. Obvious. Romeo and Juliet.
Romeo and Juliet.
What's it?
How long have you guys been dating for?
1 year.
1 year. Kupo kena mo gare ne. I'm not ngeke ngithatha umuntu wakho. Ngeke ngithatha umuntu wakho njengibela.
Ama camera le.
Ama camera. What's wrong with cameras?
Oh, no, manje into zama surprise tuku man asinto yami. But let's do this.
No, naki promote American Swiss listens so. So you abona no yena razama ka round off the ring ki buma 399 ne bu 699. Abona they cheap abon.
That's great.
So are you guys married?
Not yet.
Not yet. How long have you been dating for?
1 year. 1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
It's not so bad.
Ra ke re wa bona ra tshwanela mara
a ke shebile le
ba fe
ke shebile le plus
Yes, sir.
di regte basadi ba ratang
I never mthola tsona wa tsiba leni
Wa tseba.
I'm the only one
ne
angitholi indoda
you know
talented koje ba go bitsa manga buti
la bampitsa Max the entertainer Max wa batho
Max the entertainer
Wa tseba.
Kwankaza ona le
abuti Max yebo
batho ba go tlaloganya
Wa tseba.
o dumme ka eng buti Max
ana ke majaivane ke a ina ke a actor ke di etsa kaofela jack of all trades
oh ke ntho tsa gago tsewa oh you in the media space
In the-
oh no wanda o sa tshabele camera
Bona.
ke ntho tsa gago
maybe nna ke tla o tsagela msebetsi wa ka o ke tseba mang next time tla bele nna ke shita a ke a tshameka
no ka jive nna ke good ka tsipa my skirt wa bona nnane khale ke kreye di award tsa tsipa ne ke etsa net so ye re tlhwara le mbukeng
batho bana ke ba ke
batho ba ke bona ye konjani bakubiza bani sis
unonjabulo kodwa ungangibiza ngonjabunjabu
unjabo I see the relation I see why you guys love each other you have the same thing in common actually like vur wena udume ngani sis
mina ngumuntu we-real estate yabona uma ufuna
Yeah.
iphathi ufuna ini
Yeah.
hayi shem ngeke ulale emkhukhwini ngikhona
ngeke ulala emkhukhwini
sela yonke into
manje
yabona nje mina
Yeah.
ngeke nokuthi ulale phansi kwe-roof
but umuntu ambona man the way you talk the way you dress the way you address yourself you can tell ukuthi okay like I was able to pick that you're an entertainer
Thank you.
I'm able to pick to corporate uyabona mas antalukanye
and nami sengibona i-client ngithi yabona
Ubona i-client?
your age
yeah
hey man fanele ngikuthengisele indlu kodwa-ke
yeah
sikhulume
4-bedroom house
Hayi,
plus ama-parent I need a house
Yabona,
yes
yabona.
yes
hayi hayi sikhuluma
so uyatholakala everywhere wena
hayi
sis
ngiyatholakala nje everywhere
Yes.
futhi nje angina province yonke indawo ngiyahamba kabuma Gauteng
Yes.
KZN ngwase KZN
yeah
yonke indawo ngiyahamba
kuphi KZN
Lange Peter Marisburg
Peter Marisburg shout out shout out
Peter Marisburg
I'm a pull through anytime. Then Peter Marisburg. I need to go and check there as well.
yes and it's a peaceful place shem.
Yeah. Intoni lo wethandayo ngemuntu wakho?
yo yazi ngithanda i-sense of humor yakhe
Awuthi man.
proud ngami yazini anandaba nokuthi kuphi uyabona nje makufika ukuthi angibambe yazini
Yeah.
ungenza ngifeel special yazi ngifeel ngathi futhi ngisayanga
Yeah.
yazi uvusa leya
Yeah. Uvela athi gugugu. Now we are ziv waki utlwa mo. Oh wabona sile sizulu yano guys. Ke tsone ntse ke di ganantse and you guys comment there lo re ke bue sizulu le siXhosa. I love it but nguthi iphume kunzima. Wena in what scale out of 10 do you trust your woman?
10 out of 10
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 like I'm not wrong whatever every time I khutla msebenzi
Yes.
whatever basali bona no
Eh.
utla spanning o khathetse ba expecta wena o pheye
Yeah.
we hlapi everything so
Yes.
every time I khutla spanning everything is ready
Wa understand.
baba What?
Nangu kudla.
we understand
Okay.
so that's what I love about her she's consistent
And une respect. That's the major thing that you need to have.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Do you see yourself married to this woman? Halina ngwana nabantwana.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah. Do you see yourself married?
she deserve
She deserves it.
I think maybe in 2 years time
Yeah.
yeah in 2 years
Yes.
time she deserves it Shem, like untshwere hantle
O tshwere hantle. Ke a bona le mo khaba miskat gore no yes. Ke a bona gore go teng mo. O bone ska o bone ska chisa aska felletsa career ya bo majaivan.
oh
Yeah.
Bari kuko thandayo ke.
Bathi kuko thandayo.
Limkhabagaba lifoche, balona kusapedi fo.
I was having a conversation with this other lady. She's busy, man. So yes, and then she was like, "Yo, you've got a kid, and your stomach is still flat." And umodi kevile ke go ska leka my darling. Career bo khosha ya fela. Abona o tshepetse wena. Ya fela. Like I said, guys, it was CMTV from near Tembana show. I'm doing couple switching phones. Motho wa kena mo phone nya for 60 seconds only. Abana ngaya more than that. Ke a tsebora ke kopantshe. So motho wa kena just to make sure that you really are trusting each other. Gore kaofela ra tsamara December. Yeah, yes. Yes. So ke kopa di phone tsa lena for 60 seconds. Ka senyetsa nako ga golo wa bona my bra. Ngiyabona ululu.
Ngisekho ifake la iphone ngithi.
Hayi, eyami la ibhekini.
Ngibekile la.
Oh yeah. I like your pants, corduroy.
Sweka.
And kwani mabiste konware my darling.
Sweka.
Uvele uthi okay no wait.
Artist.
You're an artist name.
Presentable.
Presentable.
Kumele ucace phela.
Yeah, unguthi ungenile ula.
Uyangithola.
Exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, CMTV family, my name is Dinal Caro. You know niyathebana na. La tseba keng ke power. Ha gona sepe gape ke power. Fanda ke le EFF. Yeah. Why not? Why not? Re qala ka phone mang?
Laka Eric Bole.
Mina ngaqala ngeyami.
Eyakho. Which one is this one?
No, this.
Oh, this one. Okay, wena buti uzombambela. All right, kopo itshware pele mo. And here is your phone. It's super safe. Wa bona le wena buti gore re safe. Okay.
It's nyane.
All right. So before everything, arbone. All right, I'll see. Ngiyacela nje ukuthi umfakele password yakho. Oh yeah, yazi password yakhe.
Ngani pet.
I know.
Oh.
Okay, hayi ngayifaka. Hayi mina ntama ngimfika.
All right, ke batla go bona uyifake wena self. Ifake. Ke rata batho ba ratana guys. You guys are making me believe in love.
Thank you.
I'm definitely. Ubona usika mochata, uzomchata lo?
Ebona nakusasa.
Oh wena uzomkhipela malobolo.
In 2 years. Mina imali akusinkinga kimi like yazini.
Yeah.
Because naye ufuna ukufila njengendoda ukuthi kwenza after 2 years nami ihlanganisa izinto kahle isikhathi sakho but mina action.
Do you think it makes you feel like indoda though if a woman pays lobola?
Oh, yo. I get everything this nowadays. Phela I know it's a new generation.
Yeah.
Ingwanyana le nonsense. Every time inathi ukuphatha bill. Yena angmeet ya.
My darling, you're not a Gen Z. Why would you want to think like a Gen Z?
Maru.
You can't think like a Gen Z. You must think.
Marishe, man.
Okay, kupon kenele ko WhatsApp. And search I miss you. Is there anyone you miss more than your man? Maybe your ex, your past.
I mean my daughter.
Your daughter ne?
Yabona nje ngiyazi umuntu ehlale ngimkhumbula umntanawa.
Yeah.
Because ngimshiyele KZN so.
Yo, I know the pain. Yeah, kumhlungu kuba mzali guys. Kumhlungu. Let's see. Oh, it's Maxis. Oh, Maxilicious. Yeah. Labantu badala, they're romantic. Oh yeah.
Yebo.
Ngicela ukuthi unisearchele I love you. That's nice, man. How old is your daughter?
She's 21.
Oh, yeah. Sister, daughter, how? Yeah, you can come this side anytime, right?
Yeah.
On her own.
Yeah,
That's nice. That's nice. All right. Please search nude. When I got to search so booty.
Ngiyasearch. The phone le inokuthi uyayazi phone yakhe.
Yeah.
Yeah, nakho.
But how's the business going though? The real estate.
No, it's going smooth. Yes,
Ne?
it's going smooth. Even though after COVID, benaba like
Hey, COVID is moshele.
banye ba receive
Moshele.
amagama mosheka, but no, these into zibuyela back to normal.
I'll find you next.
Yeah.
When I write,
So good.
tell them what you when I ungenele ne and make sure that you get whatever that you're looking for.
Okay.
Maybe call ne kamalaga buti or a baby daddy ex.
Ngiyazi ukuthi ujayele ukushada namakhazini.
Nabo cousin.
Siyilungisile lapha endlini namanye amacolleague wakhe so.
Hayi vele.
Oh yeah.
Yibo abantu engazi.
Wait. Fast one. Yeah. All right. So are you
client?
We are planning nje ukuba ne omunye umntana.
Yeah, siyaplana kodwa ke sisazinika isikhathi
Ne?
sokuthi nje nathi sike sizikhiphe sisijabulise
Yeah, so you can enjoy your own relationship
yabona
first.
siphume yabona nje manje siplan ukuya eMozambique sifuna nje ukuphuma.
Yeah, no. Nokuphuza ama pina colada.
Yabona.
Yeah. Okay.
Tutati.
All right. And what is it that you love about your man besides him being entertaining?
Ukuthi nje ngimthandela ukuthi unesikhathi sami.
And ugo acceptile ne?
Yes, and yabona asihlala ndawonye but each and every time uyazi ngempilo yami. Ayikho into yami angayazi uhlale khona involve each and every day.
Yeah.
I-hour ne-hour uyazi ukuthi ngikuphi uyangichecka
Uyangicheckisha.
into esebese ngathi ngayigcina empilweni yami so ngenza ngifeel special ngathi nje yazini.
Yeah. You are like your body. Woo, girl, you look pretty.
Oh.
You look so pretty. Okay, you're not cheating. You're very like you're an open book. I really like you. I really think.
Nami mara ngikuthandile.
netwin.
Uzoba ne-twin but ngimdala umntanakho ngimdala. I'm old, guys. You kopa phone ya gabuti. Thank you, Mr. Dlamini. I'm quite old. I think usisi wakhe umdala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kahle.
Me, I don't know fat. Hey, I've always been skinny. This is me. Yeah. When do you know i-password ya muntu wakho?
I know. I know password ngithi phone ya baby. So
Oh.
Baby, ngena baby.
Okay, kungena wena.
1432.
Yeah, okay. Is there anything you want to confess maybe?
Between WhatsApp. No, so far it's mina ngicabanga ukuthi manje
Ngene WhatsApp ngicela ukuthi untypele I love you ne.
siphila kanje mostly.
Niphila yeah.
Dating for a while, so there's
For
not
a year now.
for a year, so
How khalele open nothing. What do you think about the community of LGBTQ?
at the end of the day, everybody's got a right to be he or what she wants to choose. You get what I'm trying to?
Yeah.
I think a person is a person. So if you want to be gay, if you want to be lesbian,
You can be.
it's your choice.
hayi
What is it?
angiboni lutho mhlawumbe
Okay.
phepha mhlawumbe hayi
Ngicela uncheckele ama-notes. Ngicheckele ama-notes. Do you feel like it's very kupontele closer? Do you feel like it's diabolical to actually, identify myself as a him while I'm a woman? Uyazi ukuthi banale this thing ya hore I'm a shim, I'm a her, if motho ke monna o batla go bidiwa miss.
Well, anyway, but Aritwani, man. Now, as I said, I don't believe you have to be judgmental.
Yeah. Yes, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Hey mna yana ke manuts.
hayi amabele
Yeah.
ubani ukusendela amabele
Walo ngibonisa dilo tseo nna ke batla go bona mabe.
Khuluma ngayo.
Ke bone pele kopo e se ka fa se.
Usho uthi?
Bombonse.
lalela yini
Man.
lalela phepha yini uzubambi yini
Mamela. Ngicela ukwenza i-chance. No.
Ke mabela mang.
Ngicela ungakhali.
no kusamkhulu
Wait,
Indaba yazi kwenzakalani?
lubani lokusendela amabele
ari mutle pele.
It's not what you think, man. Ama-camera indaba mayi bomele into siyikhulume.
Likhuluma into yang.
Ama-camera.
Useno ke mo senetse mabele.
Ngicela lento lesiyikhulume nje ngoba lama-camera into sibe.
No mo sendela mabele.
amakhamera mina uyangazi ukuthi ifoni yami ihlala kuwena ayikho into engikufihlela yona bathi wena uzoba namabele la nesibunu
Fit.
Yo.
and lo
Uvuke white ne? Oh.
mhlawumbe usungibona ngathi ngimdala usufuna intanga zakho
Baby technology, man. Into lento abantu zinokusendela ngemi technology, uyazi technology vele. Sokuthi into eyenza ngemi.
mina ngilahla indoda yami lekaZulu Natal ngabona wena mina ngoba mina ngibona indoda eqotho ungifundisa izinto engingazazi manje nje shothi le into zenza kumina uzenza nakulo mntwana
No, baby, no, baby.
Okay mntwana and ke ngwana
Baby, no,
motho.
man. Baby, it's not.
Beware of your 21 year old.
Baby, it's not what you think.
isiyeni somntwana
Baby, it's not what you think. Baby,
Thusa bo batla go gena balwana.
baby, listen.
Yo.
Baby, I love you.
La itseba fight.
And I honestly love you. I'll never do
La
this.
itseba wait, la itseba fight ya selo. Fight English. What I'm saying ke gore you need to be very careful go jwalo with your kid. A re bone tse dingwe maybe gona le o mong kopotle ka fa se re feletse the show ne askis ke mam. Askis can we check? Kopo ke nya happy pin e lokile. Please set the pin again. Okay. I guess that's just X. What? Am I allowed to share? Are you bisexual, sir? Are you in the dark bisexual? Are you bisexual, sir? No, I'm just asking. Are you like bisexual?
Do I look like I don't think I'm bisexual. I don't.
And then when? No, I mean even screenshot to you send to your friends. Why?
Siyakhula.
All about how tired you.
Niyakude manje.
Are you bisexual?
Man. Bisexual.
Umuntu wakho bisexual.
No.
Umuntu actually ofana njengami. Angazodlala.
Baby. Ekashiya lama calves lawa. Hayi no guys.
Everyone.
Khona mistake. Khona mistake.
You buy toys too.
Senzekani lento le.
Oh, freaky ne.
Ngicela siphumeze abantu bacabanisa into zama la khathi ngikushela ngicela
Abantu abacabangisi.
Nansi proof.
Okay ngicela ukubuza la sikhathi ngishela kunamakhaya.
Me I wanna see.
Nimbuze umuntu la sikhathi
Like nansi proof la yini pho yini le leya. Yini le lana.
ngongalamakaya sikhathi ngikushela.
Lele khohle indaba zokuthi wongishaya kunani. Khohle lo nto le yini lela. Khuluma
Nama Hana boy.
Everybody deserves.
Oh yeah.
Everybody deserves so content.
Esekwenhlenseni.
Nobody's
la. Yini
Konke kwani nobody perfect.
nobody's perfect. Hayi ubaningi.
Amasimbani lawa lawa.
Mama ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyangixoxa. Okay, I'm sorry.
Ishoda ngani guys?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And how short babona.
I'm sorry.
How short.
Baby, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. It won't happen like I promise.
Yazi.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Ngisiya yonke into ngenxa yakho. Uyakwazi ukuthi ngisiya yonke into ngenxa yakho. Ngisiya umntanami ngasindoda ebingikhanda engilobolile.
Enatali ekhaya.
You know I love you, baby. You know, baby, you know I love you, baby. Baby.
Ngibonisa into engakaze ngazibona.
You know I love you.
Kanti lento uyenza nakwamanye amadoda.
Come here, baby. Come here.
Hayi no.
Soba right.
Oh,
Soba right, baby.
wavuma straight sisi.
Hayi no.
Hayi ndozamathamela.
Thinking.
Are you gonna go on with the relationship?
No, I can't.
You can't because unemntwana une 21. Wabona le bere le fresh.
Ngifresh ukuthi ngaze ngidlale. Yabona lo mfana.
Yeah.
Ngimqothe ngelutho. Ngamqoqa ngoba umuntu namhlanje sengibona ukuthi angenze
Wenze into eziso.
futhi strategy sakhe. Angibona ukuthi ngidala kuyi.
Yeah.
Vele une target. Ufuna
Bese ngithi lengwana hawo.
Nami akekho safe.
Yo, umntwana wakho akho safe. Umntwana wakho safe.
Usama winja.
Don't have a chance to pull.
Yazi ngisho noma
Baby,
lapha
let me talk.
Kethu ngumakoti amasimba. Niya lapha kini.
Bazothina bazabafaka. Bazothini? Angithethe indaba ethu manje sosufuka phakazo ama
So what happened to you? This screenshot lo uyisendela umngane wakho mfana. Me I still wanna know.
Man ezinye into niyayikho ezinye izinto
Nam ne Hana boys.
man, nah, not everything is for real, man.
Ethi simunike phone yakhe before we mosha sis.
Ngidlaliwe la. Ngidlaliwe igoli. Yazi ngithe igoli ngilibambile igoli ngiya.
Hayi igoli ayibambeki mdali. There is no master of goal.
Make this thing rest for me. Nama come to zibe match.
Mara at least she knows. Mara, you know what happens. Like if you now you see the preference of your man.
Winja.
Ayikho umuntu
Ayikho.
uzokuthatha njengama yakuthatha.
Lalela.
Ukhona umuntu ozompa
Wena uthanda into enginazo.
Okay, ufuna umdaba. Okay, ngiphathele ikhamera ukuthi uyangilahla sibone ukuthi
Umlahle sibone.
Batshela ukuthi uyangilahla.
Uyamlahla sisi.
Yabona nje njengamanje. Kamanje inamba yakho ngiyayidelete angifuni nale impahla zakhe
Kuphelile.
futhi la yabona manikini lapho yaphezulu ngizohamba ngowalahla lapha
Kuphelile.
winja
Bonke abantu ngenza kanje.
Are you guys okay? Fine. I just wanted. Are you guys gonna fix this?
angeke
fix.
akakufuni yabona lo muntu lona wangenza kwami umntana wami
Munikeze izinto tsatsana. Unshayelani nawe? Why ushaya mina?
njalo mangithi ngifuna ukulanda
Why ushaya mina?
Ayishindaba nawe.
Kusayeni beke awusu. Hawu le. Mune phone hayi. Baba isisi. Hey, bye. I'm sorry ne.
usikhotheni umntwana
Hayibo.
Kanjalo.
Wena le batla go ruta ba go lento tse snacks.
Kuphelile just like that.
Yes, kuphelile my darling.
Muthoni.
Kuphelile.
Akubona bantsiba.
Yeah.
Sense okay sebantsiba so you can't end like this.
Wena o shapa dilo tse. O senda the screenshot tsa banna. O ska itse gore ke bento tsa o mo camereng. Tsamaya buti.
I'm not gonna give up.
You're not gonna give up. Go.
Not gonna give up.
It's not BBL though. Okay, now I was just asking. Sorry. Eish, unutala tamang. Wena, umtiba dhamin. Watiba dhamin. Ke batibile go etsa. Yeah. Speak a lot. I'm sure it's BBL. Yeah. One of this thing, hi guys. It doesn't like it's not a problem to date somebody who's younger. When you have kids, it can be a problem, especially the daughters and what. You must check first. When batala mwana soulmate, or batala mwana musimane soulmate. And this thing is serious, guys. I think he's also bisexual, so it's just a lot of things going on here. It was so sad seeing Osole Allah. It's not a nice thing, Allah, because of love. Magalafa ina thaka my darling. U 21 ya o thata. 16 ya go thato 35 75 I love is I is for when my name is Dineo Caro. I love you guys and I'll see you again on another episode ka another day bana go tsa mo go nna ka re ni a thebana na bye bye. Dumela maboko go ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dineo Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni a thebana na la ntse ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke a re lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsamaye mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshala morago nsi.
And wena okwesithiwa ungalibali uba last wathi mandiyibambe izivuke ndizayimela mna loo nto.
So wena umratela tšhelete e kena
o tshwanetse mphe tšhelete sele yena wa bona wa tseba ke rata dilo
Sa bolela maka
This is just, AI sometimes.
a se disappointment hle